What is going on, you guys? Today we are headed to WEKFEST 2018 in San Jose, California. So I got a buddy of mine out there right now, has a VIP ticket for me, and I'm about to go over there, call him up. He's gonna come out, get my ticket, avoid the giant ass line, and I'm gonna show you guys that line. And then we're gonna get inside and check out what's new and what's dope over there. What in the hell? Boy, look at that fucking line. Except I got my hook right here. Right here, see? Gotta skip this line right here. Hey, I appreciate you looking out, man. Let's get inside. Right there? All right, let's get in. Hey, we out here, boys. WEKFEST, California, NorCal, San Jose. Oh, this shit goes hard, bro. I remember this car when he was originally... I'm not even gonna say it. I remember this car. It was a long time ago, bro. I seen this car. This thing went... Yeah, hey, this car went through a nasty ass change, bro. This shit goes hard as fuck. Rod Wires Integra never gets old. This guy is way above the technology, all the electronics, bro. Hey, what's going on, brother?
Watch your videos, bro.
Hey, I appreciate it, man. Yeah. Thank you very much. Oh, the color combo, goddamn. This thing is looking super sharp. The paint is immaculate. Oh my goodness. The Desmonds though, they go hard in 5 Lug. The vibe, the mood, the lights, it's a lot different. Hey, what's going on, brother? Where you guys at? In the back? All right, for sure. I'll see you guys in a minute. This car does not get old. This is the homie Rowell's car. Right-hand drive Integra. Calls it Amanda. It's so clean in and out. I've watched this car get rebuilt from when it was back in that slam life, and now he's got this whole car redone. Everything, every nut and bolt has been changed. What's going on? Hey,
YouTube videos,
hey,
bro.
I appreciate it, bro.
Yeah,
Truly. Hey, yeah. You know how it goes, bro. Damn, DSD1.
Yeah, that's my homie Jimmy.
Boy, this shit's badass. Can't go wrong with the RGs. Oh my god. Yeah, I seen he was redoing a lot of things in his car. Timeless, bro, timeless. I love it. Man, if you guys know whose car this is, bro, S2K turboed. Probably one of the hardest RX-7s out here. This thing has been around for a long time.
Cash only.
What's happening, bro?
Let's go.
Careers take off, just gotta be patient. Mr. 1 through 5, that's the only line.
How you doing?
Hey, what's up, man?
Hey. See, I saw your car out there. That shit looks sharp as fuck.
Is it?
Huh?
I be watching your vlog lately, though, man.
Hey, bro, I appreciate it, man.
Grinding up.
Hey, I gotta stay grinding, bro. Oh my god. Oh, that's definitely gonna break my neck for sure. Holy shit. Damn, this is probably the beefiest Accord I've ever seen. I saw this from a mile away. Flares over negative camber all day. Look at that. Timeless DA. Tan interior, the color that people always like remove and change out for darker black or gray. This car and Brian's car, probably the only DA I've seen that still rocks tan. Shit goes hard. I feel threatened with all that muscle you got going on, bro.
Hey, what's
Maybe I'll get an S14. This is the big boy S14 right here, big body, big Bertha. What in the world? Like marbled out. That shit's badass. Puny ass wheels. What are they, 12s? 13s. Damn. I don't have my light on me, damn it. But this is sharp. I don't think my butt cheeks will fit that seat though, but it's nice to see these suckers are still around. Nice to see some classics in the show. Oh man. Show me what we're looking at here.
My wife did the door pillar or the door.
Oh, that bride.
Yeah.
Oh snap.
Shift boot.
Shift boot.
She was gonna do this part, but they ran out of time, so ain't got that far yet.
No rush, right?
No.
Door cards replaced with some bride fabrics, as well as the what is it, A-pillar?
Yeah, the A-pillars and the shift boot.
And then the shift boot. Who doesn't love that bride ascent, bro?
No.
Back in the days, I couldn't afford bride, so I had to put 6-speed because they were the same color. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Oh, the artwork though.
Yeah.
What's happening, bro? I need that on my back. B-Series Turbo, huh? eBay, tile gate, big old gap on the downpipe. Fuck it, send it. It's clean as fuck though. So I'm just going around recording cars that catches my eyes. A lot of these cars I've seen before, so I'm not gonna really cover them. This is gonna be more of a vlog style, so no cinematics, no music. Ooh. Hey, what's up, bro? Oh shit. Coppered out. God damn. It's crazy to make a car's engine bay that comes with a bunch of shit in here completely gone. The crowd around the Honda is real. Look at this. Okay, this one is clean. The color, that Shark City. Hey.
Good afternoon, everybody. Welcome to WEKFEST San Jose 2018. This is our 10-year reunion. We just want to say thank you for everybody for supporting us for the last 10 years. Welcome to WEKFEST San Jose.
Well, yo, look at that.
Maybe that's how that shit might happen.
Needs a turbo and a supercharger on that carburetor. Sick. So we saw this yesterday. Some were arguing that this was painted, but it's actually vinyl wrapped.
But I don't even know if I want to keep it now. I'm already like, oh wow.
This is a Honda City? No way. Yeah, and it's got the matching motorcycle, little bike, little moped. I don't get it. Slam life with mud tires. Mud tires. That is super different. The wagon? At home? With a bunch of cat prints and cat fur all over it?
That's right.
Yeah, it's my cat's beds. They're getting hypey out here. Fuck with it. I love it.
Same one for the
For sure. So this is the homie Harv's DB8, if you guys remember him from Honda Tech. Quick DB8. Where's the sticker at? I don't know where his sticker at. This is the homie Jonathan's car. Oh. That's pretty cool. Hey, you should look badass, bro. That shit looks sick. Oh shit. Oh, this is hard. Oh wow. Oh, we got to see the turbo. Excuse me. Excuse me, excuse me. There it is. So this car right here, I always see it driving around town, and it's loud and obnoxious as fuck. It's pretty badass though. Yeah. Hey, totally cool. Appreciate it.
Where are you?
Oh, sorry. I didn't mean it.
It's all good.
How you doing?
I need your help.
Yo, ask them to match and the match went out, but it wasn't no more lights in the house. I saw them killing, put a cat on the roof. What should I do? Should I kill it? Yeah. That's right.
great 10 years. Looking forward to another 10 more. Welcome to WEKFEST San Jose.
Looking forward to another 10 more. Hopefully I get it one of these damn years. God damn, there's a giant ass line on both ends of Vex Motorsports booth. What the hell is going on? I'm almost certain Eliminate's over here though, but I'm trying to find Blue's Clues before I get on out of here. And I completely missed this whole middle section. Oh, we found Blue's Clues. Look at these guys partying back here. What's happening? Hey, I came here looking for Blue's Clues, and I walked the whole thing. And I missed.
You follow, subscribe, and like.
He's another big fan of Meow Meow. You like Meow Meow, right?
Meow Meow's the shit.
Hey, we're gonna have some stickers, some shirts coming soon with the cat.
Meow's the shit.
Hey, he's a true supporter. He's the owner of this right here. This is Blue's Clues, and
What's up, bro?
long time.
You gave me advice on my shit, right?
Randy's car.
Yeah, it's simple, right?
Oh, this shit goes hard as fuck. This is what I need in my life, my wagon right here. That's fucking dope. I go camping a lot, so I would love me one of these. If anybody want to send one to my P.O. box, I'd appreciate it. The Van Culture Boys. Wheels and Meals. Team Skittles. Oh, this one's hard. You can never go wrong with the typical white and black. I would love to have that to tow my wagon though. I think that little baby is too big for that damn cart. Oh my god, is that an S15? That is an S15. Oh, full contact patch. What's going on? What's up, what's up, what's up? What's up, guys? Hey, huh? Yeah, I've been here for like 5 hours now. I'm ready to get on out of here. I'll see you guys. Oh, this shit is wet. It's like towards the end of the show and the line is still hella long. It's time to get on out of here. All right, y'all, so the battery's about to die right now. I'm not gonna wait for the rollout because it's all pretty much the same cars that are in the inside, just rolling now to go home. I sound like gunshots over there. Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed this WEKFEST 2018 coverage. It's a vlog style, so no crazy music, nothing like that. Just me walking around talking, maybe talking shit, I don't know. But give this video a thumbs up, and thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.